This is Deepak Panda, business advisor and co-author of the book Playing the Business Game. In our recent video, we talked about the vital key customer sales and marketing metrics that help you measure and manage your customer performance and customer focus factors. Today, we are going to explore the 4 quality loop phases that will help you to ensure that you're improving and continuously evaluating your customer processes. So these phases are, the first one is customer registration, second is analysis, the third is planning, and the fourth is customer benefit estimation and realization. So let's dive into each one of these. Now what we're going to do is that as you know that there are 2 buckets we have talked about, the customer performance factors and the customer focus factors. So in each of these phases we'll evaluate each of the matrices separately. So that will give clarity about what you're going to do in each of these phases. So in the customer registration, our focus is to, in the customer performance bucket, the focus is to gather data on customer profitability, behavior and satisfaction through internal sources. Because the idea is to understand how each customer is contributing to your business. The second is the customer focus bucket. In the customer focus bucket, you would be conducting audits and self-assessments. So the idea here is to evaluate and gather data about the quality of the customer information, the communication methods, and the way the organization is aligned to your customer needs. So that sums up the customer registration process. The second phase is the analysis phase. In the analysis phase, in the customer performance bucket, you're going to analyze the data on the customer profitability, behavior and satisfaction to identify problems and opportunities. So this will help you understand where improvements are solicited and where are the new opportunities that you can work on. In the customer focus bucket, you're going to evaluate the current state of your customer information, your communication and your organizational practices to pinpoint again areas for improvement, and this analysis will help you prioritize action that will enhance your customer focus. Having said that, we move into the planning bucket. In the planning bucket for customer performance, we will set clear targets for profitability, your revenues and satisfaction for each customer and prospect. You may like to also capture the or set targets for different products or SBUs or even geographies depending on the way you are organized. And these targets should necessarily align with your corporate goals, and so that you are able to not only give the goals but you are also giving a roadmap for achieving them. In the customer focus bucket, what you're going to do is that you're going to develop specific plans to make measurable improvements in how you manage customer information, communication and the overall organization. So this will ensure that your customer focus efforts are strategic and effective. In the final phase of benefit estimation and realization, what we are going to do is that we are going to execute our customer performance plans and regularly estimate the benefits that we are gaining on a periodic basis. This will help us on an ongoing basis identify where are the course correction and also provide directional input to improve the way we are running our show. In the customer focus bucket, again, the focus would be to continuously assess the progress based on the audit results and how the audits are helping us to align better with the customer needs and expectations. So with this, now you understand the 4 quality loop phases of establishing your customer management model. It's time to measure and improve your customer processes. So in our next video, we will discuss how to organize and implement the customer management model successfully. Until then, I wish you all the best on your journey towards sustained growth and profitability. Thank you.